I thought the sign said free crackers. Why is there so much shiny metal and no food? Oh, right, the running part. I hate the running part.
It's not arson, it's just aggressive car warming. Yeah, that's it. Well, now I know why they don't make cars out of paper. Remind me again why we're partners. You're the reason we're on the run. Symbiosis, Tom. You're too dumb to survive alone, and I'm too small to get caught. You're welcome. I should have eaten you in 1940.
Not the cage! Anything but the cage! I have a sensitive constitution! Faster, furball! If they catch us, I'm blaming you!
Count it again, rats. If I'm short even $1, you're all sleeping in the trunk.
You're just handing on the profit.